CarPros Kia, the #1 top-selling Kia dealership in the USA, knows that. There's more to being a great dealership than just having a great inventory. It's about trust. CarPros Kia is a trusted name in the automotive industry. We have a large inventory of new and pre-owned vehicles for you to choose from. So come to CarPros Kia and let us find the right vehicle for you and your family. Learn more about CarPros Kia at www.carproskiacarson.com. While you're there, get loans with little or no money down. Get a quick quote. Fill out our quick and easy 30-second credit application. And find out more about what makes CarPros Kia the right dealership for you. CarPros Kia is located at 21243 South Avalon Boulevard in Carson, California.